Unravel the enigmatic allure of the dark side of love in our latest video. Explore the intriguing world of manipulating emotions through dark psychology to make someone chase you. Discover the psychological tactics, their impact, and the ethical considerations involved in this captivating journey through the shadows of love. Section 1. Understanding dark psychology. Dark psychology is not a formal and recognized branch of psychology, but it refers to the use of manipulation and control to achieve personal gain. It is essential to understand that using dark psychology can be harmful and unhealthy for both parties involved. However, it is crucial to be aware of these tactics to protect yourself from potential manipulation. Section 2. Techniques to make someone chase you. 1. Identity framing. This technique involves presenting yourself in a specific way to attract the desired outcome. For example, if you want someone to chase you, you might portray yourself as someone who is hard to get. 2. Creating open loops. This involves leaving unresolved issues or questions in the relationship, which can create a sense of curiosity and desire to resolve them. 3. Friend zoning. This involves creating a sense of familiarity and comfort with the person, which can make them more likely to pursue a deeper connection. 4. Paradigm shift. This involves changing the person's perspective on the relationship, such as by sending a re-breakup text to create a sense of loss and desire to reconnect. 5. No contact rule. This involves temporarily cutting off communication with the person to create a sense of scarcity and increase their interest in reconnecting. 6. Projecting your ideal self on social media. This involves presenting an idealized version of yourself on social media to attract the attention of potential partners. Section 3. When to use these techniques. It is essential to use these techniques responsibly and only when necessary. They should not be used to manipulate or harm others, but rather to protect yourself from potential manipulation. Additionally, it is crucial to be aware of the potential risks and consequences of using these techniques.